Hello friends, in this video we will talk about an important concept, brachial plexus. Okay, we'll see the course and branches with the applied aspect. Let's see the course and branches of the brachial plexus. So C5 to T1 is the extension of the brachial plexus. It's easy. Remember what is the location of thyroid gland? C5 to T1. Can remember that way also. Okay. So let us see now, this is the long thoracic nerve which we are seeing. It is forming small branches C5 to C7, okay, but otherwise it is straight away. Now, from the C5 we are finding the dorsal scapular nerve, and here this is the meeting of the C5 C6 as we are going downwards now. In the trunks we have the suprascapular and the nerve the subclavius. Nothing in the division side. Then we go to the cords. We have the lateral pectoral nerve and musculocutaneous here. From this we are getting the median nerve, the two roots, lateral and medial. So medial side is pointing towards the ulnar nerve. Okay. When we come to the C7, here we are finding here US, T and LS. Here upper and lower subscapular nerves. Here we have the thoracodorsal nerve. Okay. And here we have the radial nerve with a small axillary nerve. Okay. Here will be the median nerve, the ulnar nerve over here. And when we go C8T1, here we'll find the medial pectoral nerve, the medial cutaneous nerve of forearm and arm. Okay. And also the ulnar nerve, right? This is regarding the course and branches of the brachial plexus, right? Let's see the applied aspect, the site and the lesion. So in the shoulder, elbow, forearm and hand, what are the movements? Abduction opposite, adduction. Here elbow, flexion opposite, extension. Same flexion for forearm and hand, right? For shoulder, abduction is responsible by C6, C7. Same movement is done by the extension of the elbow. Okay. Adduction of shoulder is C5. If I add extra C6, it is going to be flexion of the elbow. Okay. And forearm and hand is totally different. Here flexion C8, T1. Okay. Let's see the Erb's and club case paralysis. Erb's paralysis is C5, C6, this point, okay? Let me show club case paralysis. Here, this C8, T1 you're seeing, this is the club case paralysis, the C8, T1, okay? Yes, here also we can see a baby with the Erb's paralysis. The hand has become like this, okay? This is the policeman or the waiter strip, I call it. Okay, this is another instance where during the slagging and also during delivery we can get these Erb's club case paralysis. Let's see the difference. Okay. So let's see the Erb's and club case paralysis difference. So as I already told, C5, C6 in Erb's, C8, T1 in club cases. What are the muscles involved? See now. These muscles, the shoulder, the arm, the forearm muscles, this part, okay, these muscles will be paralyzed. In club case paralysis, in my hand, these muscles will be paralyzed, okay. And Erb's paralysis also called as policeman strip, coolie strip, or waiter strip, or porter strip. Club case paralysis is the claw hand, okay. And autonomic signs we will see in the club case paralysis where Horner syndrome will be observed. Alright, so references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.